there at Point Conception now. Isn't that a great, great view? Oh, I love this spot. Now we're going to have another view. We're going to make another bend around to the left, a little more of a bend, and you'll be able to get a view of even more of the coastline between Point Conception and us. Okay, here we are. Look back there. Now another little bend and we'll have another good view. Isn't that great right here? And look at down. Just look at what we're seeing. We're going to be passing several places where we're right close to the ocean. Okay, look at this right here. Just right here.
This is down on that boot. That's the light.
Now, aren't you glad you were in this car? All of the rest of those passengers, most of them have missed that view. If you're not looking, you just don't have a chance to see it.